Is your Windows 11 taskbar feeling limited or boring? What if I told you that Microsoft has quietly released a brand new taskbar experience that adds powerful features like app search, system monitoring, command launcher, and customizable dock positioning? And the interesting part is, you can try it right now. Microsoft recently introduced this feature through PowerToys, their official toolkit for advanced Windows users. In this video, I will show you how to install it, enable the new dock taskbar, customize its position, and use its powerful features step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. At the top search bar, type PowerToys. You will see Microsoft PowerToys, which is an official tool developed by Microsoft. Simply click Install to download it. The file size is around 350 MB. So depending on your internet speed, it may take a few moments to install. Since I already have this downloaded, the install option appears grayed out here. And here a message is displayed stating open the product from the start menu. Once the download finishes, open the PowerToys. If you never used Microsoft PowerToys before, it's actually a very powerful toolkit for Windows 11. Microsoft regularly updates it and keeps adding new productivity tools and advanced utilities that can improve your daily workflow. Inside the PowerToys dashboard, you will see a list of different tools and features available. But the feature we want today is called Command Pallet. Now click on it. Then go to the settings icon at the bottom left corner. Inside the settings section, you will see a new options labeled Dock Preview New. Click on it. Now enable it by toggling the switch on. This activates the new dock style taskbar interface. Now you can decide where the new dock should be appear on your screen. Inside the position panel, you can choose left, top, right or bottom. For example, if you select left, the dock will move to the left side of the screen. You can quickly change the position anytime. Let me demonstrate. First it appears on the left side. Then we can move it to the top. And we can also place it at the right. For this video, I will eventually move it to the top of the screen. PowerToys also allows you to customize the dock appearance. You can choose different visual styles such as transparent and acrylic. After selecting it, go to background to choose a custom background color or the image for the dock. You can also switch between light mode and dark mode. For better visibility in this video, I will switch it to the dark mode. On the left side panel inside settings, you will see extensions. These sections allows you to enable or disable additional features inside the dock. For example, run commands, calculator, file search and more. You can simply toggle on or off the extensions depending on what you want to use. You can even add more extensions later if needed. Now, if you want to focus only on the new dock taskbar, you can hide the original Windows taskbar. Here's how. Right-click the taskbar and go to Taskbar Settings. Now scroll down to Taskbar Behaviors. Then enable Automatically Hide the taskbar. This will hide the default Windows taskbar, so the screen stays clean and you can focus on the new dock interface. Now let's look at one of the most useful features. On the left side of the dock, you will see a search box. This allows you to search for apps, files, folders, and commands. For example, if you type Notepad, it will instantly show the result. You can simply click it to open the application. You can also search for File Explorer or other programs. This makes the dock act like a central command launcher for your system. Next to the search feature, there is another section called Windgate integration. This allows you to search and install application directly from the dock. For example, I am downloading the Brave app. When it appears in the list, simply right-click it and choose Install, or just double-click the result to install it. This feature works similar to Linux package managers and allows quick installation using Windgate. As you can see right now, our Brave app has been successfully installed here. At the top dock, you will also see live information such as CPU usage, memory usage, GPU usage, current time, and network speed. This gives you quick visibility of your system performance without opening Task Manager. You can also run the new dock along with the original Windows taskbar. Place the new dock at the bottom, while keeping the original taskbar also at the bottom. This creates a dual taskbar layout, giving you more workspace and quick access to tools. In older versions of Windows, many users used to extend the taskbar height to create multiple rows. This dock provides a similar concept but in a much more modern way. It's still an early preview, so you might see a few small bugs, but it already adds small very useful features to Windows. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more helpful tech tutorials and fixes. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.